Imagine you can just get like $4 every 30 seconds by watching simple videos. Now that is possible, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it. Hit that subscribe button and let's go. A lot of users use this. Fast money for everyone. You can do this as well and you can get a lot. And I mean a lot of money. Also, it works all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you live. We're gonna watch some videos today and we're gonna focus on this gaming niche. This is on YouTube. It is a gaming niche and you can see that there are many of these videos which you can do. But of course, apart from YouTube, we can as well use Twitch TV, which is also popular, and there are a lot of videos. Click on here and now you will be redirected to the webpage of Twitch and you will see that there are a lot of these categories, a lot of people online, and now we will make money with it. First of all, when you come to Twitch, go and click on this browse category, then choose games, and we need to find Fortnite. This is a huge traffic source. Go down here, click on Fortnite. 84 million followers, guys. That's our source of money. These followers, these viewers on all of these videos will make us money, guys, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So for example, click on this one. This is a live video, and now you just want to make sure that it's a nice video. It's a video gameplaying video, so just make sure it's a good one. It has a lot of followers, so we can use it to make money. Simply click on this button, share over here, and then just copy this link into your clipboard. That's what you have to do, and the next step would be to earn some money. Firstly, go over to this website, which is called Oki.io, and you can see you just have to create an account, shorten your links, and then you will earn money. So for each click on your links, guys, you get the money. A lot of guys are doing this already, and basically just shorten those URLs and get that money for yourself. So first of all, sign up here, make a quick account, and this is gonna be your dashboard. You can see here publisher rates, guys. So for each one of these views, guys, you get $5, $4, $4, and this is differentiated because it matters where those views are coming from. But I'm gonna show you one trick and we can target the views. We can, for example, target the views from the United States, or we can do it in Australia because we saw that's the most money. You see here that Australia gives you $5, and you can see that the minimum payout is $5 only, and you can get Bitcoin, PayPal money, or Skrill. So whatever you want. I would suggest to get Bitcoin for yourself because the price is really good nowadays. The crisis is over. It's just gonna go higher, and that way you can make a lot more money. For that, of course, you will need a wallet such as this Exodus one or this Atomic wallet. Both are good on Trust Wallet, but of course you can always choose Coinbase, Blockchain, or Trust Wallet. Just get one, then you can get that crypto. But of course, PayPal is available. So now when you come to your dashboard, remember that link from Fortnite? Well, you just paste it in here and then you click on this shorten button and that's your moneymaker. You have got now this shortened version of that link. Now just copy that and that's gonna make us money. But of course, we need to lead some traffic. This is what you have to do, guys. Fortnite article. Just put that in Google search bar and just find yourself some article on Google. For example, this one is good. You can see that it's a professionally written article and you can just choose, for example, this first one, this rumor mill. Just copy this into clipboard, go to Google Docs, click on Go to Docs, open blank document, and paste your article in here. Now just make this a little bit bigger, of course, make it look nicer, and then you can just add here, watch the video to see the news, okay? You can just write that, and then you can just put video 1, and then just grab the link, paste it in here, and that's the first video. Of course, we're gonna put video 2 as well, because that's how we're gonna maximize the profits. More links, more visits, more money, and you can really get a lot, guys. But of course, for this one, we need to find traffic. There's already a lot of traffic on Twitch TV, and we can use the popularity of Twitch to our advantage. If you just go on SimilarWeb and search for Twitch TV, guys, just take a look at this. 1.2 billion visits, guys. Now that's a lot of traffic. 1.2 billion each month is coming there, and we're gonna use that. So grab those videos, guys, grab the links, click on the share button, copy that, shorten those as well, make 3 videos, just shorten the links, copy this, and make this nice Google Doc, which is representative, okay? So when people look at it, just make it look nicer, make it look really good, and make these 3 links. You could, of course, use YouTube as well, but you don't have to with this strategy. Twitch TV is gonna be enough. So now you have this perfectly designed Google Doc, which we will use to make money. The first traffic source for us is PCGamerForums.com, and you can just go and search for Fortnite in this search bar, and it will, of course, open all of these discussions which are related to Fortnite, guys. There is a lot of traffic on this. This is, after all, Gamers Forum. A lot of people are gathering here, and they want to see those videos, okay? So you can just go and you can just engage with the people on this website. They're going to see that Google Doc, and they're going to click on that link, and that's how you will make money on Oki.io. And the best thing about this is that you have 3 of these links, okay? 3 chances. The more you have, the more money you will get. And this traffic source of ours has a lot of people who are willing to watch those videos because, after all, that's why they gather here on this website, right? And of course, we had the opportunity to see that Australia and United States give you the best money, guys. So now we can target those. But first of all, before we go and target, just use this Steam Community, okay? Steam Community has a lot of traffic and they really rock. If you go on Steam Community to see how it fares on here, guys, 143 million per month. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, guys, if only 1/4 of these guys click on your link. And just look at this, guys. Very good numbers. And just take a look at this. 18% are coming from the United States. That's what we already want, okay? So the majority of that traffic, they're coming from the United States. As you can see, 18%, and total monthly users, it's incredible. So what you want to do on this website, search for Fortnite and then just engage with the people. All you have to do is to copy this entire script of yours and engage with all of these people here. The same goes on PC Gamer forums. They will see the script, they will read a bit of that article, and then they will see these videos. And for each click, Oki.io is giving you some money, okay? The reason why this works is because when you click on link, which is from Oki.io, they redirect you to the ad first, okay? So you have to see an ad first, but of course you can skip it, but they get the money from those ads. And of course, they share that revenue with you because you are the one who leads the traffic here. You get the video from here, you shorten that one, and then you just engage with the people who are interested in those kinds of videos, okay? On Steam Community and on forums, PC Gamer, there are a lot of people who are interested in that. Basically, we're just giving the people what they want. But this isn't working only on gaming niche, okay? You can, for example, go on YouTube and you can type in how to lose weight. You can just watch those videos, and you can, for example, find certain videos which is related to some weight loss, okay? So you can just click on this video. It has almost 6 million views, and what you can do is you can just click on share. You can just copy that, same as on Twitch, shorten here on this website, shorten that, get this version of your link, and now what you have to do is you have to type in Google search bar weight loss forums, guys. So basically you are just getting what people want. If they want to see some game videos on these forums, on Steam, wherever, well, you give them the games. But on these weight loss forums, people are gathering to see how they can lose that weight. Well, there is something for them as well, because YouTube is filled with these videos on how to lose weight in 4 easy steps. That's what you are targeting, so you can just go and, for example, there are top 30 weight loss forums, and just imagine how much traffic this is actually. That's a lot of money for us. Weight loss forum, weight loss center forum, health unlocked, and there are really a lot of these, right? So you can just go and engage, right? The script here is, of course, going to be a bit different, but that's the way in which you can engage with these people. But now let me show you one more trick. Now I'm going to show you how you can target views from Australia. Go to Google bar and type in advanced search, okay? Type that in, click on the first link here, and then you can just select the region. You can see any region, so you can just find Australia. You can just click on Australia, and then you can type the keyword. You can use the same. You can just put in weight loss forums, click on advanced search here, and then all these people, all these forums are from Australia, okay? So now you just get the views from Australia, and there are a lot of people from Australia which want to lose weight as well. So guys, I suggest that you combine both of these methods. Just take some action, involve yourself, and I will catch you later.